open your account and we will be creating a collection first. So go to collections and create a new fabric collection in which you will be adding all the designs which you have to order. So name the collection as you want to do so. I am naming it fabric swatches here. Click on create. Next is you have to open your design library. Design library is a collection of all the details of all the designs which has been uploaded on your Spoonflower account. Make sure you open a list view so that it is easy to add multiple designs and edit multiple options at the same time. So just go ahead and add all the patterns which you will be wanting to order in your fill a yard option. Once you are done with uploading all the designs in your collection, just go back to your collection and check whether all the designs have been uploaded or not. So in this case, we have uploaded 39 designs. We are good to go. Next, just click on fabric and select fill a yard. So what is fill a yard? This is the cheapest method to order fabric swatches from Spoonflower. Here you have the option of uploading and ordering up to 50 designs at one go, which is a very cost-effective manner. The templates which are available, there are two types. Fill a yard. In this one, you have two options: vertical split and horizontal split, but you can only upload up to 2 designs here. So we'll go with 1 yard up to 42 designs, which can be used as a cheater quilt. So next is just go ahead and click on create a collection. In this window, select the collection which you just created called fabric sample pack and go for start designing. Now, as we have discussed, we will select the template which is up to 42 designs, 1 yard, and next is we have to select the fabric. I am selecting Petal Signature Cotton. Next, click on design your project. So now on the right hand side you can see we are having all the designs which were uploaded in the collection, and in left hand side we have a empty template, empty skeleton of the 42 squares which has to be filled with our designs. So this will be the actual fabric that you will be receiving and the order will also be same. So in order to do that, click on any one design from right hand side and then click anywhere in the left template where you want to place the design. While placing the designs, keep in mind that the scale are exactly what you would want to see the actual fabric samples. If you find the scale is much larger, for example this one, the yellow pattern on left hand side, so you cannot include that design in your fabric sample, or you can go back and resize your pattern so that at least one repeat size is available to view on the this grid. So once you are happy with your design placements, and just go and add to cart, and here you are with your first fabric swatch pack order on Spoonflower containing 42 designs.